A customer asks for the same product just with different dimensions. On screen, this looks simple, just few changes in width, height, depth. But in real SolidWorks workflow, this usually means starting all over again. A new order number, a new part number, and new drawings. And this is not a rare case. Most designers spend nearly 40 to 60% of their time on repetitive modeling tasks. That slows projects down, it increases the chances of error. And instead of designing, you're stuck maintaining the models. Your creativity doesn't disappear, it just gets buried under repetition. What most designers don't realize is this: SolidWorks already has automation built in. I'm Nandhakumaran, application engineer, and I will walk you through how DriveWorksXpress help you generate models, drawings automatically. No macros, no complex coding, just rule-driven design. DriveWorksXpress works on simple 3-step process: capture, form, and rules. Before we start, we need to make sure DriveWorksXpress is activated. Inside SolidWorks, go to Tools, Express Products, DriveWorksXpress. If it's not already activated, activate it once. After that, it's always available. Here, we open our SolidWorks part or assembly, and we capture the things that we can change. Dimensions like width, height, features, custom properties, and even drawing. We basically tell SolidWorks these are the parameters we want to control. Next, we create the form. Think of this as a simple questionnaire. We add input fields, numbers, drop-downs, checkboxes, whatever the user needs to enter. Each field gets a clear name because this is what we use in our tools. This form is all the user ever sees. No need to touch the model. Now comes the intelligence, the rules. This is where we connect the form inputs to captured model data. For example, if the width is greater than 1000, use thicker material. If option B is selected, suppress the components. So it's simple, if-then logic. No complex coding. DriveWorks handle the logic for you. Once everything is set up, this is where it all comes together. We run the project, fill out the form, enter the new values, and click Generate. DriveWorksXpress automatically creates a brand new SolidWorks model, assembly, and even drawings. Fully updated with new part numbers, new order details, ready for production. In just a few minutes, you have automated what used to take hours. Now, multiply that across multiple products, projects, or customers. Suddenly, automation isn't just convenient, it's essential. You reduce errors, you deliver faster. And you finally spend more time designing, not repeating work. So the next time you're asked to create another size or another version, ask yourself, you really want to do this manually ever again? Because DriveWorksXpress don't have to.